bounds checking. In C, there is no check to see if the subscript used for an array exceeds the size of an array. So there is no subscript for checking uh, the so subscript should not exceed the size of an array. So for that there is no mechanism for checking this. Data entered with a subscript exceeding the array size will simply be placed in memory outside the array. Data entered with a subscript exceeding the array size will simply be placed in memory outside the array. So probably on top of the other data or program itself. This will lead to unpredictable results to say the least, and there will be no error message to warn you. That means this will lead to unpredictable results and there will be no error message for warning you that you are going beyond the array size. In some cases, the computer may just hang. Thus, the following program may turn out to be suicidal. So, there is no what we can say error message for saying that you are uh, exceeding the subscript. So, this is an example in which it will not work. So, this is example of that. Now, main int num40. So, num40 is an array. I is an integer also. Num is also an integer and 40 is dimension of that array. Now for loop, for I is equal to 0, for I is less than or equal to 100, I plus plus number I is equal to I. Thus to see to it that we do not reach beyond the array size is entirely the programmer's botheration and not the compiler's. Passing array elements to a function. Array elements can be passed to a function by calling the function by value. So we are passing array elements to a function with call by value method or by reference. That means call by value or call by reference method. In the call by value, we pass the values of array elements to function. So we are passing the numbers which we have entered in that array and we are performing calculations on them. Whereas in the call by reference, we pass address of array elements, that was like 65503. These were the address, and we are passing that addresses of an array element to functions. These two calls are illustrated below. So example program for call by value. So this is demonstration of call by value. Main int I. Now int marks 55, 65, 75, 56, 78, 78, 90. So this is a marks, this is an array called marks. Now for I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 6, I plus plus. Display marks I. So marks is an array. Now display is another function. Now display int m, printf %dm. So in display we are printing marks and here is output 55, 65, 75, 56, 78, 78, 90. Here we are passing an individual array element at a time to a function display and getting it printed in function display. So in function display we are printing value of m, that is int m.